Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate M&S credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To activate your M&S credit card online, the first thing to do is to open up a web browser. You can activate your M&S credit card using your M&S banking application, or if you want to do this on a web browser, simply go ahead and type in bank.markandspencer.com in the URL box at the top and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official site of M&S Bank, which looks like this. To activate your credit card online, you'll need to first log in or register to your internet banking for M&S Bank. If you already have an account, you can click on the sign in link. If you don't, click register first, register for your online banking account and log into your account by clicking on the sign in link. Enter your username in the text box where it says please enter your username and make sure to enter the credential that matches your registration records. After you fill in your username, if you'd like the system to remember your credential, check this remember me box in this particular device. If you don't want to do that since you are using a public or a shared computer, make sure to uncheck this box before continuing. If you don't remember your username during the login in process, click on forgotten username link at the bottom and follow the on-screen prompts. Click on the continue button after you are done entering your username. On the next page, enter your password associated with your online banking account, and once you're logged into your account, from the main home page, tap on My Account option, select Activate My Credit Card option on the left-hand side. On the next page, enter your M&S credit card details and click Submit. You'll be able to see the information on your credit card itself. Follow the on-screen prompts till the end in order to activate your M&S credit card online. That is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.